Hi guys! If today is Thursday, it means tomorrow we're going to Amsterdam. Or exactly tomorrow late evening, about I think it's 8 in the evening. We're going on a bus, we'll be driving the whole night. So in the morning on Saturday we'll be arriving in Keukenhof. So we'll visit the flower gardens. There's going to be a flower parade. And then the rest of the day we're spending in Amsterdam, strolling through those streets, visiting some tourist attractions, sightseeing, and so on. So keep a lookout for a movie. I don't know if we'll be able to upload directly from Amsterdam tomorrow, or maybe Sunday morning we'll be returning, because we'll also drive through the night. We're supposed to be back in Poland on Sunday morning. As for today, we've got one package, as you see, a little beat up. Hopefully nothing's damaged, because this is a welding helmet I've been waiting for a long time. It's one of those automatic helmets with a self-dimming glass. So without much ado, let's open this up. Okay. Really nicely packaged. Didn't expect it's going to be packaged this well. Check it out. A lot of these foam padding. Instruction manual. Head mount. And of course, the helmet itself. Warning, please remove this protective film prior to use. So is this end. Okay, so the question is how well this actually dims, although I do have a similar mask with a similar system. I can tell you it works quite well. When you look through that glass, I don't know if you can see that, you have this slightly greenish dimming, and when you actually have a arc ignited, this dims to a much higher level. You can set the level here, also the delay, how fast this should react, works really well. So I can greatly recommend this. Nice design, should serve me well. So see you tomorrow, or actually on Saturday, when we're in the Netherlands. Take care, bye. Can you see anything? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.